everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So first I'm gonna have to excuse the poor lighting. The sun has not quite come up yet. It's sunny out, the sun is up, but we have so many trees, it's very dark outside still in my neighborhood. Until it actually really starts heating up in the afternoon. So I'm gonna try and wait to do the try on maybe more midday, but I would like to film the intro now while I have some time. So I got my ring light on, not helping much. I have my regular lights on. Sorry for the yellow tint. So today is a Stitch Fix day. Stitch Fix, it's an online styling service. You fill out the style profile, tell them what you like, you dislike, and they have an algorithm that will curate a box for you. You do have a personal stylist. This personal stylist does have the option to use her own judgment to style your box. And you get a choice of about 8 to 10 items that you can actually, in your preview, put in and say, yes, put that in my box. Anything that's remaining out of the 5 items, so in this box I selected 1 item, so that means there's 4 remaining. My stylist then picked for me, hand selected for me. I am friends with my stylist, so she understands exactly what I'm looking for. However, I don't think she hit the mark with this one. And I am friends with her, and I went, Shannon? Yeah, no. But it's okay, because I had a hell of a weekend. Well, first place, I had to pay for our vacation. So that was a huge chunk of sum of money. And then out of nowhere, my daughter was going to prom this weekend. She was coming home from her hair appointment, and she had a car accident. Thankfully, she's okay. No issues. However, the car is totaled. So we had to get her a new car. We only put $1,000 out of our own money, and she owes us the rest, and she emptied her bank account. So it still hurt us. She owes us money, and right now things are tight between the trip and that. So I'm okay with this being a bad box because I can't afford really much right now. There is one item that I am looking forward to in this box to try on. However, I know I haven't had much success in the past looking for these items, so I'm not hopeful for these, but I am excited to try them on. Okay. So let me go through each item, and I'm going to go first through the shoes, which is the only thing that I kept in my preview. I did tell in my note that I am looking for a pair of navy espadrilles, and these showed up in my preview, so I kept them. And I was thinking when I was looking in my preview that they were probably a little bit too sporty of a look with the bottom here being a white lug sole that I was going for. I do like them, but I don't think this is going to fit the need that I want. So I think I'm going to have to return these. These are the Dolce Vita Liata Wedge in navy, size 7, $89. I am going to try them on because if they feel so wonderful on my feet, you never know, okay? So I think I would prefer, though, something a little bit dressier. Yes, I want an espadrille. I like this part, but I think this part down here and the fact that these are just a, strap like this, like an elastic strap, I think this makes it a little bit too sporty than the look I was trying to go for. Okay, next up is the thing I'm most excited about. As most of you know, I've been looking for a pair of like chambray-like pants, and I got them. And these were actually on my inspiration board and my saved buckets list for quite some time. These are cut from the Kloth, the Tyler Jogger in blue, size extra small for $89. All right, it has the elasticized waist, which I'm looking at it, looks quite large to me. Matter of fact, it really does look large. They're an extra small, but you think something looks large, but then you put it on, I'm like, oh, it's not so large, right? It has the slash utility pockets right here. It has functional back pockets with a button, and I think I've explained this before. I mean, I will wear pants with pockets. I prefer not to have the button because I tend to yank the button off and put a hole in my pants because I don't realize the size of my tush when I go sit it down. So I back flaps do not bother me, but it tends to be when I have that button on there, I end up yanking it out. It does have a drawstring that is a working drawstring, and it is in a different color than the pants, but it's a dark gray, so it's not horrible. It's not great, but it's not horrible. Thank goodness it's not white, because I would not like that. And it has the jogger style bottom. All right, let me explain what this is made out of. It feels like Tencel, but let's read what it says. 68% lyocell, 22% polyester, 9% rayon, and 1% spandex, okay? And then there's fabric 2, which I'm gonna assume is the, I don't know if it's the drawstring or maybe the elastic. Fabric 2 is 95% cotton, 5% spandex. And for care instructions, it's machine wash cold, delicate cycle, tumble dry low, cool iron if needed. That is fine by me. So yes, I do like these pants. Yes, I am excited to try them on. However, I am not hopeful. So maybe I'll be pleasantly surprised. And again, these are also $89, all right? Up next, there, we'll go to this one, all right? I actually have these pinned as well too, around my saved items list. I do like them. They're the Sanctuary Endless Summer Short in pink, size extra small for $89. These are really pink, hot, hot, hot pink. I like them. I like them a lot. I like the fact that they're linen. I will tell you the fabric in just a second to make sure they're 100% linen. It does have a functional stash here that you can make tighter. However, and there's 2 pockets on the back. And yes, slash pockets, working pockets here on the front. I'm not gonna get these because of the color. I mean, I do like them. I like the style a lot, but I just cannot justify a pair of hot pink shorts for $89. Like them a lot. If they were like in like a tan or a gray or a black, I would definitely consider them, but not in hot pink. I'm very limited into what I can wear with them. All right, and this garment, it says this garment is made from low impact fibers and or recycled components. And let's see what I can find out about the actual material. 56% linen, 44% rayon, and it is churn garment inside out, machine wash cold, gentle cycle, light colors, tumble dry, low, warm iron when needed. So again, I do like these. I just cannot justify hot pink shorts for $89. Do like them though. All right, up next. All right, I don't know which one is the lesser of the 2 evils here. So she knows I'm looking for linen pants, but when I'm really looking for a beige linen, like that traditional, like linen color linen pants. And she sent me these. These are the Lily Pulitzer Taron linen pant in green for $128. Now these are green. Now I am not completely shy from colored pants. Matter of fact, I'm wearing bright pink pants today. But these go to a new level and bright. These are absolutely neon. So I would not wear these because of the color. All right, I do like them though. If they were the beige, I'd be like, yes, linen pants, you know, but they're not. So they're this fluorescent color, and again, limited wear. I would never, even if I liked this color, I could not justify $128 for such a colored pant, which really, what can you wear with it other than white or black? I mean, this is really, I mean, it's neon green. I don't even think I would have any printed tops that I would feel comfortable wearing with this, all right? So it has the front pockets here that are kind of light because they're off to the side. And usually when they're closer here to the hip, they end up bulging out to me, but they're in more, so that's kind of nice. They're sewn shut, but there's definitely a real pocket here. It has the drawstring waist, and it's kind of nice. They got these little grommets here, and the drawstring matches. It is an elastic waist. It has 2 regular back pockets, and it is cuffed. Let's see, is it tacked? No, it is not tacked, so that is nice. So if you're a little bit taller, you can unroll it. If you're shorter like me, you can maybe roll it some more. Nice fabric. Let me tell you what it is. Let's see if I can find 100% linen. All right, so these are a nice pair of pants. They're machine wash cold, delicate cycle, turn inside out, mild detergent, and tumble dry low. And these are nice pants. I mean, and they're not too wrinkly for linen. I mean, I highly recommend them if you are not shy about wearing neon green. These are nice quality pants, you know. I think for the $128, I don't think that's a bad price for the quality of what these are. But let me just tell you, the color is can't do it. Just cannot do it. With that, all right, up next is the Heatherly Eliana crop top. Now, if you've been watching me for any length of time, you know that I'm a shorty, and I don't really shy away from crop tops because typically they aren't cropped on me. They fit me just right. They fit me like a regular top, but not this one. There's no way this one is going to fit like a regular top on me. So I am taking one for the team, and we'll try this on for you. I am not comfortable in showing my belly this much, but I will do it. So here it is. Here is the Eliana crop top in white, size extra small for $42. It has a smocked back. The front is not smocked. It looks like it has like kind of like off the shoulder or on the shoulder, just on the shoulder things. It feels like 100% polyester. Let's see. Yes, 100% polyester. The back part is the lining. They're calling this a lining, although it is not lined. The ruching has 95% polyester, 5% spandex. You know what? It's cute. If I were in my 20s, I cannot wear something this short. All right. Maybe I'll be surprised and it's not as short as what I think it's going to be. And she suggested I try it on with the green pants. So I will do that. Give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, guys, I am taking one for the team. So these pants are something else in terms of color. This whole outfit is something else. So the pants, they're the Taron linen pant in green, extra small, $128. They're actually a little too small on me, a little bit too small across here in the back here, and tight in my calves, and a little bit tight here in the thighs. I would have to size up. Honestly, I would never, ever purchase these pants. These are crazy. Again, crop tops. I will wear a crop top. This is not a crop top I would wear. This exposes way too much, and I am not confident about my stomach. After losing the weight, I have a lot of loose skin, and I'm not very comfortable with that. If I walk around like this all the time, I'm fine. But if not, you can see it all wrinkled here, and I don't like that. So no, I would never wear this, and I left my regular bra on it just so you can see that it is not bra friendly either. So I would never ever purchase this top because I like bra friendly tops, especially something like this. If I have lots of different bras I can wear that, like, you know, twist, you know, have like the racer back. This even has sleeves, so I do have strapless bras, but I try and avoid them at all costs. I would not wear a strapless bra with this. So pants are a definite no. Top is a double no. The shoes are also a no. I do not like the way they go on. I'm going to pan down for you. So there is no way to unbuckle or buckle them. So down here we have this little band that you have to squish your foot through to get your foot through it and then your ankle wrapped around it. So these were just way too much of an effort to put on, and I will not be keeping them. I do not like them at all. They don't feel comfortable around my ankle. They feel tight. So no to the shoes, no to the pants, no to the top, and hell no to this outfit. Next. Okay, that video deserved to go viral after that. I don't know what I was thinking about putting that outfit on and doing it in front of camera, but it is for entertainment purposes. So I couldn't wait to put on my own top. This is my own top. This has nothing to do with this particular box. I got this from Macy's after copying BC Sells. She actually, Barbara from BC Sells, got this top from Macy's before me, saw it on her, liked it, and ordered myself. So enough about the top. Let's go on to the shorts, which did come from this box. These are the Sanctuary Endless Summer Short in pink, extra small, $89. They're really cute, like them a lot, can't justify the price. They're like the perfect length for me. They're a really lightweight, nice kind of linen-y feel. Has nice pockets that aren't pulling. Has a little bow in the front. Nothing wrong with these shorts. The color is quite bright, hot pink. And I just don't care for the color that much to purchase them, all right? If somebody gave me these as a gift, I would wear them, but I would not wear those lime green pants no matter what. I would wear these if somebody gave them to me as a gift. However, I would never purchase a color like this for myself. It's just way too bold, all right, if that makes sense. All right, so yeah, I mean, these are cute, little pockets in the back, fit nice, nothing wrong with them. It's just the color and the price. I can't justify it. Okay, next up, I just have the joggers. Next up are these cut from the cloth joggers, like in a chambray fabric. They're super soft, super stretchy. They got the 2 front pockets. They got the flat back pockets. They fit perfect. They have the jogger style bottom, which I'll pan down in a minute for you, or step back possibly. Like them a lot. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage to see how these fit and make sure they're not looking like granny pants on me, because that tends to be what happens with a lot of these chambray joggers. They look like old lady pull-on granny pants. So I'll have to see. They feel great. I like them a lot, and if they are looking good on me, I might purchase them. So tell me what your thoughts are and put them in the comments below. Are they a winner or not? And let me pan down so you can see the bottom of them. Okay. The one thing I'm not too thrilled about is the waistband on these. So the drawstring is down here, and I usually just tuck in the drawstring, but it's much further down and it doesn't really reach up to touch. Like it almost has like a paper bag type of waist. And then this is down here. I mean, it's not a deal breaker for me, but that's one thing I just wish I could tuck in the strings a little bit better. But you know, I could pull the strings out completely and these won't fall off. I mean, they're fine. You know, I thought the waist was too big, but they're not. It's not. It's fine. All right? Give me your thoughts in the comments below. I hope this box entertained you. I appreciate you sticking with me throughout this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Give me a thumbs up and take care. Until next time.